Wouldn't it be amazing to unlock a secret stream of income that's been hiding in plain sight, one that could transform your blogging game completely? What if I told you that with a few simple strategies, you could tap into some of the most lucrative affiliate programs out there? Stay tuned to uncover the hidden gems of affiliate marketing that can make or break your online earnings. Affiliate programs are arrangements where online merchants pay you a commission for traffic or sales generated from your referrals. It's like being rewarded for being the bridge that connects your audience to products they love or need. Now, why affiliate marketing? It can give you the power to earn money, not just when you're typing away at your keyboard or shooting your next video, but even while you're sleeping. It can be a revenue stream that functions round the clock. Each program comes with a unique affiliate link, a special tracking URL that's just yours. When a follower clicks on this link and makes a purchase, the magic happens and you receive your commission. The best part? Getting started is easy. These links can be shared on your blog, in an email, or even a social media post. The key to harnessing the full power of affiliate programs is to promote products that resonate with your audience's needs and interests. When you offer items that your followers are excited about, your affiliate links do more than just earn revenue. They enrich your content and enhance your status as a trusted source of information. Now, with that essential groundwork laid, how do you get started? And what should you look for in an affiliate program to make sure it aligns with your brand and your audience? Share your thoughts in the comments on what you would look for in an affiliate program, or if there's a particular type of product you'd be interested in promoting. Let's unravel the specifics and turn clicks into income together. Imagine waking up to an email notifying you of earnings while you were asleep. That's affiliate marketing for you, a strategy where your hustle doesn't have to be 247, but your income can be. So how do you find affiliate programs that not only provide a steady stream of income, but also align with your principles and pique your audience's interest? First, you need to identify your niche. Are you into tech gadgets, beauty products, travel gear, or maybe fitness equipment? Whatever it is, be specific. This will make your recommendations feel more personal and well suited to your audience. Remember, authenticity sells. You also need to understand your audience. What do they crave? What solutions are they seeking? Is there a product you've used and loved that could also help them? Look for affiliate programs that offer these products with decent commission rates, and don't forget to read the fine print. Reliability is key too. Go for programs with a track record of making timely payments. You don't want to promote a product only to encounter payout delays or worse, no payout at all. And don't underestimate the power of support. Good affiliate programs offer excellent support to their affiliates. You should have access to promotional materials, personalized tracking, and customer service. Lastly, and here's where you can really drive engagement, ask yourself and your audience, if I could solve one problem for you with a product, what would it be? Drop your burning questions and insights in the comments below, and let's explore which products can truly make a difference in your lives. Here are some reputable affiliate platforms to explore. First up, ShareASale. Picture ShareASale as the bustling marketplace of the affiliate world. Here you can discover a diverse array of products to promote. With thousands of merchants, it's a treasure trove where a single successful partnership could turn into a steady stream of commissions. Next, let's take a peek at ClickBank. Imagine ClickBank as a library filled with digital ebooks, courses, and other online wonders. This platform specializes in digital info products, and with higher commission rates on offer, your earnings could skyrocket with the right strategy. Here's a site that's both a giant and a friend, Amazon Associates. Practically everyone knows and shops from Amazon, right? With its expansive product catalog, it's like having an all-access pass to promote a range of products that likely includes your niche favorites. Don't overlook CJ Affiliate either. Think of CJ Affiliate as an elite club for seasoned affiliate marketers soaring with potential. Its data-driven approach means you'll have more tools to track your progress and optimize your campaigns. Finally, let's talk about a platform that's social and savvy, Impact. Impact is all about forging connections. With cutting-edge technology, intuitive tools, and a focus on building meaningful partnerships, it's an environment where serious affiliates can thrive. So, which of these affiliate platforms resonate with you and your journey thus far? Are you ready to take the next step and delve into one, or maybe explore them all? Comment below with the platform that intrigues you the most, or share any questions you might have as you consider your first or next affiliate adventure. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Choose your affiliate platform thoughtfully. Here's a quick description of the top choices. On ClickBank, registering is simple. Provide your personal details, set up your account information, and before you know it, you'll be ready to go with a myriad of digital products waiting for you. With Amazon Associates, it's akin to entering a vast marketplace where every alley and stall holds a different opportunity. Sign up, grab your unique affiliate links, and you're ready. On the CJ Affiliate platform, you begin by applying to advertisers within the network, and once you're approved, you're ready to promote. Impact Demands is different. It's more of a personal, face-to-face kind of affair. Here you craft relationships, handpick your partnerships, and negotiate deals that could lead to success. So how do you feel about these platforms? Can you see yourself mastering affiliate marketing with any of them? What's your first move going to be? Drop a comment and share your first steps or questions, and let's keep grooving together in this affiliate marketing dance-off. In the world of affiliate marketing, choosing the right platform is like picking a new smartphone. You want the one with the features that fit your lifestyle perfectly. Think about the scale of products you want to engage with. Do you prefer a more focused boutique, or does the idea of a sprawling digital market excite you? ClickBank, for instance, provides a laser-targeted variety of digital products, while Amazon Associates is your all-access pass to just about anything under the sun. Now let's chat about audience alignment. Each platform has its unique vibe and offerings. It's crucial to match these with your audience's preferences. For example, fashion and lifestyle affiliates might find a haven in CJ Affiliate, where high-end brands are plentiful. Have you considered the technical side? User-friendly interfaces can make a huge difference in your daily hustle. Simple navigation, easy access to reports, and straightforward link generation are not just niceties. They're necessities for keeping the dance of affiliate marketing graceful and stress-free. Let's not overlook support systems. Will you have a dedicated rep or team to help you optimize your campaigns? Some platforms offer robust support, while others assume you're the solo type, figuring out the steps as you sway. Lastly, let's talk money. The bottom line is the payout structure and timelines. How and when you get paid can impact your cash flow, so it's imperative to understand the nitty-gritty of commission rates, thresholds, and payment cycles. So with all these moves to consider, which platform do you feel is the best partner for your affiliate marketing rhythm? Which one will complement your growth and help amplify your performance? Share how you choose your affiliate playground in the comments below, and let's explore these channels together, step by step. When looking through the world of affiliate marketing, one must understand the art of optimization. It's not just about choosing the right partner, it's about fine-tuning your strategies to keep the audience engaged and the clicks coming. Now, imagine your content as a magnet. You want it to irresistibly pull your audience towards those affiliate links. But how? Well, it all starts with understanding your audience's needs and desires. Content that resonates and provides value is key. This could be how-to guides, reviews, or even stories that incorporate products naturally. But there's more to this than just captivating content. Identify the search terms that your audience uses to find products like the ones you're promoting. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush to light the path, so when someone searches for a product, it's your affiliate link they find. SEO is your partner in this process, guiding your content to rank higher in search results. This means optimizing title tags, meta descriptions, and even images. It's like dressing up for the ball. You want to look your best for when Google comes knocking. Now hold on, engagement doesn't end when a visitor clicks an affiliate link. That's just the first step. It's also about getting those visitors to convert. Track your links to see what works and what doesn't, then adjust. Maybe it's the placement of the link or the call to action that needs tweaking. Analyze, refine, and test again. Think of it as practicing your steps to ensure each one lands perfectly. Remember, your audience trusts your recommendations. Focus on building and maintaining that trust. Disclose your affiliate relationships transparently and advocate for products that you truly believe in. Authenticity can be felt, and it brings a certain tempo to your marketing efforts that can't be ignored. Before we wrap up this session, let's pause and reflect. What's the one product you believe in so firmly that you joyfully share it with your friends and family? Drop a comment below and share how you'd weave that recommendation into your content strategy. Keep the conversation going because in the realm of affiliate marketing, every exchange is a step towards optimization. Picture yourself as the strategist behind the scenes, with performance metrics as your trusted spies delivering crucial information. Imagine knowing exactly which parts of your affiliate marketing campaign are hitting the mark and which are falling flat. That's the power of performance metrics. They are not just numbers, but stories waiting to be told, insights that can turn the tide in your favor. Metrics like click-through rate CTR reveal the magnetic pull of your links. A high CTR means that your links have allure, you're irresistible to clicks. But are those clicks turning into cash? That's where conversion rates come into play. It's the fine line between mere attraction and commitment. When you examine your conversion rates, you're asking, am I the matchmaker between products and the right audience? Let's not forget about the average order value AOV. Knowing the AOV helps you understand if you're courting high rollers or bargain hunters. It's essential for strategizing your promotional efforts and picking the products that align with your audience's budget. Each viewer that leaves your page is a story untold, and this is where bounce rates come into the picture. A high bounce rate might be a sign that your content is not engaging enough, or perhaps the audience expected something different. Think of it like being on stage. Is your performance captivating your audience, or are they walking out mid-act? Remember, it's not all about immediate gratification. Are visitors sticking around, giving you their time? Time is a precious currency, and if they're spending it on your page, you're doing something right. Now it's your turn to shine. Have you ever dived into the analytics of your marketing efforts? What story did the metrics tell you? Share your experiences below, and let's unravel the narrative behind these powerful numbers together.